In today's fast-paced digital world, businesses are constantly looking for ways to make their advertising more effective and efficient. One powerful tool that can help you achieve this is Google's Performance Planner. If you want to make the most out of your advertising budget and get the best results, Performance Planner is a game changer. So how does Performance Planner serve your business? Maximizing ad budget efficiency. The main benefit of Performance Planner is that it helps you optimize your ad budget. Instead of blindly setting a budget and hoping for the best, the tool uses data and smart algorithms to show you where to allocate your spending for maximum impact. You can see the expected performance across different channels and campaigns and adjust your budget accordingly. This ensures that every dollar spent contributes to your growth. Predicting future performance. Performance Planner doesn't just look at the current performance of your ads, it also predicts future performance. Based on historical data, it helps you forecast what will happen if you adjust your budget in specific ways. This can give you the confidence to increase or decrease your spending in certain areas, knowing that it's based on solid data. Improved decision making. Making decisions about your ad spend can feel overwhelming at times. With Performance Planner, you're not left guessing. It gives you insights and recommendations, which makes it easier to decide where to focus your efforts. Whether you're scaling up or trying to optimize for better performance, this tool gives you a clearer path forward. Planning for growth. Growth is the ultimate goal for any business, and Performance Planner supports that. By identifying high potential areas for investment, the tool helps you plan for growth in the most effective way. It allows you to set realistic, achievable goals based on the data and helps you track your progress over time. Performance Planner can be a valuable asset for your business if you are looking to make the most out of your advertising budget. It helps you optimize spending, predict future performance, and plan for long-term growth. If you're ready to take your advertising strategy to the next level, using Performance Planner is a smart move. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you need help with your Google Ads, I invite you to take the 14-day free trial of my coaching program. Thank you and see you in the next one.